Hey everyone, it's Bitcoin Brian here with Bitcoin Fam, and today I'm going to do a quick video on Maple Finance and give you a price update and where I think it's going in the future. So if you could hit the bell notification, like, subscribe, leave a comment, all of that will really help us out. Thanks and have a great day. So before I start today's video, I have to put out the disclaimer. I am not a financial advisor, and this is not financial advice. It's just my opinions and views and sharing what I'm doing in the crypto space. So I hope you enjoy the video, and we'll get right into it. I'm going to do a quick price update on Maple Finance, one of my coins that I really like. I do hold myself. So anyway, we'll get right into it. Here we are, Maple Finance on CoinGecko. And it's really been moving up. So right now it's ranked 370 on the market cap. It's at $21.30. It's up 17% plus over the last 24 hours. You can see the trading range, $18.06 to $21.56. I know a while back, I'll go through it, but I think it was October time frame. I thought it was going to hit $24. By the end of the year, it didn't, but I got close. But we'll go through that because I think that $24 price is back in play. So anyway, we can see total market cap is 167 million. So 10x could be a 1.6 billion. I think it has it in it. DeFi is huge, going to be huge this bull market. All the DeFi sectors dealing with the big financial institutions and whatnot. Connecting real world assets to the blockchain. Decentralized finance is going to be huge. So I really think that this could be a $1 billion market cap coin all day long, probably more, 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 billion. Who knows where this coin can go? But just say, it did a 30x. That would put it at $600. That would put it at, roughly $5 billion market cap. I think it could happen, but I really think at least I think there's at least a 10x in this price left, at least. So that would put it at, $1.6 billion. Really like this coin, but let's get right into it. I'm going to go right to the charts, check it out. Here we go. Got the weekly up real quick. You can see, here we are back in like October time frame. I did a video on it where I really liked it, and I was like, it's going to hit $24 by the end of the year. And shortly after I said that, look at this rise. That was a sweet rise. Definitely liked it. It was we'll just call it, that was to the peak there. That was like 270% gain. That's crazy, almost a 4x on its price. That's nuts. So it got all the way up to like 2270 or something like that, but it didn't get up to the $24. And I was using these wicks back in September of 2022. I thought I was going to go ahead and touch those wicks, hit $24. It didn't. It got rejected at 2260 or so. I was like, bummer. Then it went down, you see like the bull flag formed here, and then it broke out. Now it's broken out of the bull flag. So what is it doing? This is on the weekly too. So let me draw that out real quick for everybody here. So right here here's our flagpole, a little tilted, but that's all right. Right. And then we have, well, excuse me, sorry, that didn't mean to move the flagpole. Right, and then we had this, we'll call that the upper channel, the upper line of the flag, or what we would call resistance, right? And then we got the bottom part here, roughly somewhere in there. We'll call that our support. And you can see we got the 20 and 50-day moving average in here. And the prices have been riding the 20-day moving average, the blue line. You can see it's just been riding it. And then it broke out of the channel right here. This is on the weekly chart. So it broke out, and now it has, definitely 3 weeks, 4 weeks of being outside this channel. I think it's on the move, and I definitely think it's going to break above this. I think it's going to hit my $24. Granted, I'm going to be probably about 3 months late. Sorry about that, but it's getting there. That's the great thing in the bull market, though. If your price doesn't get hit, more than likely, if it's a strong coin, it's going to rebound and your price eventually get hit. But look at Maple Finance. Really, once it gets above this $24 to $30 range, $32 range, I mean, really, actually, once it gets above like $26, there's not a lot stopping it from getting to its all-time high of like $69. So even then, that's over a 3x from the price it's at right now. And that's definitely going to happen. Like I said, I think this is going to be a $200 to $300 coin at the peak bull market, but we'll see. I'm going to zoom in on this chart real quick. I think short term, before the halving, we're going to hit my $24. Check out the daily chart. So it's definitely broken above this. And now here's our volume point of control. It's riding that. And if you want, I can go ahead and clear this out too. I can hide that as well. So, but you see, all the moving averages are starting to bend up. This thing, I think, is going to launch. Who knows? This could go push towards, $30, $40 before the halving. I mean, look at this buildup. So I definitely think the $24 is in play. Who knows? I think short term, we could see $33 to $36, by the halving. So really, let's see what happens with Maple Finance. But there's still a lot left in this coin. And I really think it's going to be, like I said, $200 plus peak of the bull market. By the halving, I'm going to say $33. So those are my price predictions for Maple Finance. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you could, hit the bell notification, like, subscribe, leave a comment. All of that will really help us out. Thanks and have a great day.